How to clean the KitchenAid dishwasher, model KDPM604KPS 0. Our dishwasher was smelling really pretty bad after we had it for about 8 months, even though we clean it with vinegar once a week. We put a bowl of vinegar, a big bowl, and run it through, but still that was not able to keep our dishwasher from developing a lot of junk in the bottom. First, you have got to flip out the cup. You just push on that little lever and it pops out, and you rinse out that junk, but still there's a lot of other hidden stuff in there. This bottom arm pops straight up. Just pull it straight up. Don't do the same thing for the upper arm because it will break. So you need a number 10 Torx screwdriver to remove those 4 screws. And then that whole plate pulls out, and that's where we found a lot of junk, but also in the back there's a lot of other junk. So you can pull that out. It comes right apart from those 3 tubes. I put it back together and it smelled so much better. So if your dishwasher doesn't smell very good, this might be a good place to start. Always call KitchenAid or your service provider if something serious is wrong. Good luck.